Budapest and beyond! Now, Wes Anderson's lips are sealed. But as rumor has it, the Corinthia Hotel Budapest was actually the inspiration for his film, The Grand Hotel Budapest. The resemblance is uncanny, and the hotel promotes itself as the Grand Budapest. So, the Corinthia is a 21st century rebuild of the original Royal Hotel, opened here on Budapest's Grand Boulevard in 1896. When it was being planned in the 1870s, this part of Pest was still relatively empty. That same opening year, the Lumière Brothers came here to present the first showing in Budapest of moving pictures. The hotel would go on to have a long association with film. The city's first cinema was also set up right here. During World War I, locals would come and see newsreel films of the conflict. Now the hotel extends over 2 buildings to incorporate an outstanding spa complex in the basement. The pool is a replica of the 1896 original. The magnificent ballroom has also been restored. The list of famous celebrities would fill a book. A display in the extensive lobby area shows many a star of the stage and screen from that period. Josephine Baker herself inspired the Corinthia's signature raspberry and chocolate dessert. Nom, 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 nom.